nose grill. And for the other side, I'm just gonna pull this down right here. Okay. Apply pressure. Be careful right here because it's kind of tight. Have it, honeycomb nose grill. It looks real good, honestly. It's real carbon fiber. You know, it looks real good. The heat is getting to it right now. That's why I got it in direct sunlight. That's the best way to do it, to make sure it sticks. But for mine, because my car is wrapped, you see my nose is already black, so it's an unpainted bumper underneath. For if your car is painted underneath, I would advise you to get some vinyl and just put a little thin strip right here, just so you won't see that color. You know, it looks cleaner when you don't see that color. Underneath here, you don't really have to worry about anything. Not that I can see, but if you're feeling, and that's a pretty close gap right there, I'm not gonna lie. But if you're feeling nervous about it, you could put some black vinyl under here too. That way you cover those spots. You don't have to cover the whole nose. I don't advise you to do that because it's really hard to wrap this nose. That's why we use covers. Now, if you guys want anything that's carbon fiber that I have in my car, like the nose, this front badge came from Disrupt GFX on Instagram. This little nameplate right here came from Design Culture on Instagram. What we got here? We also got OEM style honeycomb mirror caps. Before I had the M horn style, but I got rid of those. We got the exterior triangles in honeycomb right here. You got the exterior B pillars. Okay, looking all good. You got exterior door handles in real carbon fiber. These are replacements. There's not the overlays. And then you got the roof spoiler. Okay. Now, I'm not trying to overdo it in a honeycomb. I say that now until one of my future videos when I'm popping out with crazy honeycomb parts. But it's a nice little accent. It's not regular carbon fiber. It has that nice design. People look at it. Oh, look at that. As always, I'm gonna leave a link inside the description for every part I showed you guys just now. Honeycomb, everything. You can get regular carbon fiber. You can get forged carbon fiber. You can get some custom ones where it's like gold carbon fiber, orange carbon fiber. Anything you want, anything you can name, you can get it in that color in carbon fiber. I'm gonna leave the discount code in the description below. Let me know what you guys think inside the comments below. Until next time, guys.